Welcome to this video on landing your career in the AI era. In this guide, we will explore how to leverage technology, timing, and networks to help you stand out in an increasingly competitive job market. The modern job market has become a race. Disruption is being driven by automation, humanoids, and artificial intelligence. Jobs are shifting toward workers who can master these new tools. You are also competing against AI screening systems and many motivated candidates, so you need a structured strategy to succeed. It is helpful to remember that you are not racing against the technology or the tiger, but rather against your peers. Focusing on your own strategy is essential for your career advancement. To compete in today's AI-driven environment, you need to follow best practices in recruitment. This includes responding quickly, achieving high productivity, and ensuring the credibility of your claims through intelligent validation. The Netsume Advantage offers an AI-powered strategy built upon IBM's talent management standards. By inputting your resume and the job posting, the Netsume engine analyzes your competencies, helps improve your write-ups, and creates a personalized cover letter and compliance matrix for employers to evaluate. The process is simple. First, upload the hiring ad and your resume in a PDF or text format. Then, click the button to generate a job requirement compliance table for that job. The resulting compliance table mirrors the hiring ad's requirements, which subliminally tells the hiring manager you had completely understood his or her needs. It extracts information from your resume, ranks your skills on each requirement based on proof points derived, and show an overall profile fit, and provides an average profile fit score for the job. Once exported, the compliance matrix clearly displays the connection between the job requirements and your own experience, providing a transparent view of your qualifications. You can then paste this information into your cover letter. The primary benefits of this method are completing your application in minutes and significantly increasing your productivity. A key factor is the 5-day window. Hiring managers move quickly and often focus on the first wave of applicants. Applying within 5 days of a posting significantly increases the chances that your application will be reviewed. Your strategic cover letter should follow a requirements compliance approach. This involves mirroring job requirements, conducting a self-assessment, highlighting specific proof points, and integrating this data into your cover letter and resume. You can further improve your profile fit score by refining your write-ups. By adding specific evidence and strengthening your descriptions, you can move your rating level higher and improve your overall competitiveness. Additional benefits include fully customizing your application to each specific job and building greater credibility through AI-aided validation of your proof points. Another critical factor is proof over concepts. Employers hire history, not just potential. Vague claims like fast learner are insufficient. You must provide data-backed evidence to be considered a low-risk hire. Utilize the STAR framework, which stands for situation, task, action, and result. By quantifying your outcomes and value, which are the essence behind the rating of each skill, you provide irrefutable evidence of your competence. Remember, employers do not hire intent, they hire history. Beyond just building your resume, you must also seek market insights and make a genuine attempt to understand the company's pain points. Remember, you don't know what you don't know, which is the imperative for seeking expert guidance. Young professionals often lack industrial experience. Actively seek out mentors to understand core company processes, competitiveness, and industry-specific pain points. Netsume also prepares you for interviews by verifying your knowledge in specific domains, offering 10-question multiple-choice tests to sharpen your preparation. Take these tests to challenge yourself and build confidence. You can continue with additional sets of questions to get ready for your next big interview. After the test, you will receive AI-driven feedback and critiques. Reviewing these helps you pinpoint areas for improvement and ensures your knowledge is up to par. To be truly effective, you must demonstrate deep understanding. Show hiring companies you grasp their pain points and are the right person to solve their requirements. Netsume also provides a quiz validation function, as many companies request applicants to reply certain tests. Here is a demonstration on using Netsume to review your response. Simply input the quiz and your response to seek critique. Here is an example of providing a good answer versus the right answer. Input a few more responses to seek the most appropriate answer. Netsume can also give you new perspectives in rewriting your resume. You can compete based on your competence needed for that job and provide credibility based on the generally accepted STAR methodology in the HR industry. The Netsume approach has all the elements for a high-impact resume, namely a 100 or 200 words profile summary, along with all the employment and credentials. Most outstanding is the spider chart to depict your various skills and your self-assessments to meet the job's critical skill requirements. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. In summary, The Netsume approach is an independent platform hosted at netsume.org, designed specifically to modernize how candidates present themselves to employers. With Netsume, you benefit from rapid deployment, instant profile updates, and the ability to hit that crucial 5-day application window every time. By mirroring the hiring manager's requirements, you are showing you have completely understood the needs. You continue to show how your skills and experience best meet their requirements with a transparent and well-supported track records. In fact, the skill versus requirement comparison is what hiring managers do behind the scene. You just make it easier for them. The 0 to 4 skill level ranking standard is easy to understand, differentiating the novice from the practitioner, and identifying the milestones in professional career development from mentorship to expert. The combination of 0 to 4 assessment with the STAR method brings absolute clarify and credibility to your profile and differentiate you from other candidates. You have made it frictionless and easy for managers to pick you, based on your understanding and proactiveness in the hiring process. You highly deserve an interview to start. Let's look at some real success stories of 3 candidates who used the strategic cover letter approach to gain interviews and eventually job offers. Julie, a registered nurse, struggled for 7 months before adopting our strategic approach. For Julie, the turning point was including a requirements compliance table in her cover letter. By mirroring the skills requested in the job ad and providing clear proof points for each, she was able to, by using the new tactical cover letter, she secured multiple interviews and 2 job offers in just 1 month. Our second success story is Billy, an engineer who moved away from generic cover letters. Billy's success highlights the power of evidence over generic concepts. By using STAR method case studies, he demonstrated specific accomplishments, proving he was the right choice, despite competing against candidates with more years of experience. He landed a new position in under a month. Success story 3 features Lucy, who applied for an internship. Even though she applied 10 days after the ad posting, her application was so impressive that the company decided to open a new position just for her. Lucy used the quiz review for the test exercise. She impressed the hiring team and successfully secured a role. These stories reinforce that the foundation of success is combining the Netsume platform's mechanism with strategic techniques. Firstly, respond with speed. Secondly, focus intensely and accurately on the requirements. Thirdly, excellent articulation of how your skills and track records meet their needs. Learn the Netsume method. Build upon this proven strategy of using your cover letter to gain interviews by your competence and successful experience. Continuously learn and improve. If you have any questions or want to connect, please reach out via the email address on screen or visit our website at netsume.org. This approach is backed by decades of experience. Our speaker, Albert Lee, has served as a CTO and partner at IBM Global Services and a COO of Tima Networks. He had successfully interviewed and hired numerous professionals throughout his career.